Whether electronics developers are looking for the missing terminal block for their next prototype, maintenance engineers are looking for the smart network connection for a control cabinet, or you are looking for a short-term replacement part, purchasing original WAGO products online is now even easier, faster, and safer. Where to Buy is your new WAGO web shops option that allows you to quickly and easily buy your missing part online through our dealers. Simply fill the shopping cart on the WAGO website with your favorite products, see the availability in real time, and complete the online order with a few clicks in the retailer shop of your choice, without logging in or having a customer account on the WAGO website. Our partners have everything you need in the warehouse and can deliver overnight to your home. Always on budget, always in the best quality, and always on time. And you can be sure they only sell products that they believe in themselves.
Wow!
Reichelt is already there, and there are more and more coming. Finding the right solution for every challenge has never been so quick and easy. Which one is next? Don't wait too long and take advantage of the benefits of shopping cart distribution from Where to Buy. Experience how easy, fast, and convenient purchasing original WAGO quality products can be.